In this particular video, we will be trying to make $1.50 every 1 minute or every minute just by watching video from this particular website. So I actually came across this website on a channel called Cash Pro, and I decided to put it to the test. So I've been trying this thing for some days now, and obviously I've made some points, and so I'm going to be showing you everything in this video, what I did, if this actually works, if you should try it, and if you should just ignore it. So without wasting so much time, let's just jump into my PC, and then I will show you everything I've done and all you need to do. Then you can start making your own money if it works. The website very soon, and of course I'm going to be putting it in the description. I'm going to be putting a link to the website in the description, so there's no need to worry about. So if you come on this website, obviously let's see how you can actually cash out from this website, which is the first thing, which is actually important for us to know if we are definitely going to be earning on the website or not. So if you come here and you click on this end tab, if you click on this end tab, it will show you how you can actually earn on the website. Obviously you can also earn by playing games, by downloading some games and then playing games, but we are focusing on watching video and also making money watching video. If you click on the ladder board, it's going to show you how many people are currently on the website and how much they've earned so far. So you can see on the ladder board here, you can see how many points they've made, you can see how they are gathering points, and you can obviously see here this person has actually made $3 so far, and maybe today. And then it also have referral. It also have referral, which you can actually refer people to also get some money. It has the support, and yes, and if you come up here, you will see how much I have actually earned so far, which is 15 points. So let's quickly just jump to how we can actually make money just by watching video on this website. So if you scroll to this end tab, if you come to this end tab, then you will see everything. So the what you just need to do, there are many offers here. There's time, obviously, but what was said in this particular video where I actually saw this thing was we can use add send, and when you click on add send, it's gonna show you a tab like this, and this tab you can see some features in which you can actually make money from. You see there are games here, they are free or whatever, their service also, but we are focusing their service, which you can actually try more to actually gain some point. So what we are actually focusing on is video. So when you click on video here, to show you to start watching video, and to show you how much they actually pay and how many people are currently on the website also watching video. So obviously when you click on videos, just like this, when you click on video, just like this one, let's click on N. When you click on N, it will open a new tab. But before we go there, read what they put here. They said watch the latest TV, music, celebrity entertainment news, average user, and 3 adult points for every video. So for every video which you watch, you are going to get 3 adult points, and must be you must log into Hen. So when you click on Hen, it's going to take you to this new tab, and on this new tab, it's just going to be showing you some videos. And then so you must log in. You see I'm not logging, so but I already created an account already. So when I click on my reward, is going to tell me to sign up. So I'm not going to be signing up, I'm already logged in, so it's going to take my account automatically because I've already logged into the platform. So let's just do that again. So we click on start any, and then I'm just going to be closing this one. So start any, you see I have 7 points, but I already withdraw some points yesterday. If you look here, you will see I obviously withdraw some points here. When you come here, I already withdraw some points. I think I did that yesterday after any support. So what you need to do is just need to leave this video, keep playing, and it's play is gather points for you. So as it plays gather points from you from this website, and when it has gathered up to some points, you can then click on redeem. And when you click on redeem, when you click on rewards here, you see your rewards, and then see this code, and then redeem your daily promo code. So I have a daily promo code here which I can click on add, because I just have logged in today again. So when I add this promo code, it's going to increase my balance, and then I can then link this particular website, the point I get from this website, to this Even Gamers website. You can see that here. So by the time I'm done, if I have enough points here, if you click on my history, you will see yesterday I actually transferred 15 points. Yeah, this was 45 points from watching videos, and it equals to 15 Evans Gamers points. So that was what I actually did. June 7. Yeah, June 7th, that was what I actually did. And so that was how I did it. So for you to earn balance here, you must have at least 9 points for you to be able to transfer to your Evan Gamers. You see, I've already linked my Evan Gamers, and if you want to link any account, you just need to click here, link new account, and then you choose the platform which you want to link, and then you can cash out the payments from that platform. But since we are using Evan Gamers here, so I just linked Evan Gamers here. So you see, I can't do the bonus. I can't take out the points because I'm not up to 9 points for today. I'm just opening the website for today. So this is how this website actually works. So when you click, you just need to keep watching video. You just need to come here, and you just need to keep click on video just like I did before. You can select any of the platform. Any of the platform will obviously tell you to also sign up, and then you can transfer the points you get from that website into your Evans Gamer website. You see, this is another platform also which you can also watch the video, and then you can just click on reward here. When you click on reward, it will tell you to sign up just as usual, and then link your Google account, the same one which you actually use for your Evan Gamers, and then it's just going to start playing. Or you can just choose a video, and then when you choose video, you see I still have the same point. Then just choose a video, and it just keep playing the video. Just leave the video to keep playing. Open a new tab on your PC and keep doing something. Just leave the video to keep playing. It's going to be playing new videos every time, and then you can do whatever you want to do. So this is the platform. So when you click on Ennis here, and if I try to click on click on cash out, these are the payments which way you can actually cash out. You can cash out to Google PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, whatever, Litecoin, or PayPal. So if you click on PayPal, it will tell you withdrawal limit is 1,000. You need 1,000 to 5,000 points for you to be able to withdraw. So far I have 15 points. So if I keep watching more videos, then I'll be able to actually cash out from this website. Hopefully I'll be able to cash out from this particular website. So this is the website. So my point is, should you try this? Of course, I recently saw it on Crash Pool also, and I started trying it. So far, I was able to withdraw this 15 points, just like I told you. And should you try it? Yes, I think you should try it, at least for me to be able to take out my point from this watching video website and put it into Evans Gamers. As you saw in the video, I believe if I keep watching more videos, I should be able to then convert these points and then cash out. Is it going to take time before you actually cash out? Obviously, it might take time because they are paying 3 points per video. So 3 points per video. But the good thing about it is you can just leave the video playing in the background. It's going to keep switching the video by itself, and then you can just continue with anything you are doing. So like I said, I recently saw this and I decided to test it also, since it's a new video, and just decided to test it also. Hopefully it works, because of course we can try everything. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, we move on to the next one. So this is my honest opinion about this. You see everything I've showed you so far. This is what I just think about it. So you decide if you want to try it or not. Of course, my name is Akere. If you are new to this channel, sorry I forgot to introduce myself from the beginning, because I like to go straight to the point. So just hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and of course you can also comment in the comment section what video you also like me to make. I remember, I'll be safe, and I will catch you in the next one. For now, stay cool and have a blessed one. Bye for now.